Hello, good afternoon, everybody. I want to show one kind of error which we are facing in software installation. Suppose this is my software and I want to run this software. Then we are finding one kind of error which we want to show you. Suppose this is the error which are facing in our software during installation, operation must use an updatable query. So this kind of error should be removed in one way. Suppose this is I am using in the Windows 11. If you are using in Windows 10, then in sometimes Windows 10 also it is showing. But best way we can do it while remove these we can do setup in such a way that we cannot face this error. Error should be the operation must use an updatable query, so this query should be not updatable. So what we can do, we can close our program, go to the software, we go in the app, in the C folder, then we go to the program file. In program file, where is our program? This is our program. We can click on this. We can right click on this, put our cursor and right click and go to the properties. In properties, we will see general, sharing, security, previous version and customize. In general, what we can do, we can uncheck this one and then go to the security. In security, we will add it. So let's say in all application we are facing full control, but full control is not checked. Like that, in all restricted application package, full control is not there in the such way. Trustworthy also is not there. Full control. So our system will require full. So what we can do, we just in this we cannot get it. So we can click on this edit version, check this allow, then we go to the all restricted, here check it and allow. In honor same way, in system there is already there, in user, or we can use our laptop users trustword. So this will correct, remove that error. We can apply it, then okay, then we can apply it, okay, okay, close this one. Now we go to the our software. So we can just say here we can do it. Sorry, this one is automatic, so we can just click on add new, or we can do any number. Save it. Let our record should be saved in MS like this. So in this way we can remove the error. Okay, thank you.